Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change clothes in Heygen AI. Alright, so let's begin. The editor lets you customize the appearance of your avatar by replacing the default outfit with one of the available clothing styles. To get started, open your project in Heygen AI and make sure you're inside the editor. You'll see your script or project panel on one side and your avatar preview on the other. From here, go to the top menu and select the Change Looks option to access the appearance settings. You can design your avatar using the built-in AI tools, or you can upload a different look according to your preference. Simply choose the option that best suits your needs and customize your avatar however you like. In this example, I created a few different looks using AI. As you can see, the AI generated a completely new appearance for the avatar, including different clothing and an updated overall style. The results look natural and can be customized further if needed. In addition to changing clothing, you can experiment with different poses if they are available. For example, you can switch from a standing pose to a sitting pose or another supported posture, depending on the options included in the editor, and that's it. This is how you can change clothes in Heygen AI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.